Bonjour tout le monde and welcome into my kitchen, the Gay Gourmand here. It is officially sweater weather. November, December, January, those 3 months I aptly call appetizer season. While the French don't celebrate Thanksgiving, if you're American, you will need to buckle up because Thanksgiving will be here before you know it. But rest assured, I have a great appetizer for you to make. This easy to make recipe comes from Max's Kitchen. I'll go ahead and put a link in the blog post. This is an incredibly easy recipe to make, so good. The first time I made it, the crunch of the wonton wraps and the flavor of the chicken mixed with garlic and ginger and soy sauce, amazing. It's a beautifully crafted appetizer and it will look great on any type of plate that you present it on. And it's great for yourself, to be honest, just a regular night in. So without further ado, let's get started. To begin prepping, you'll simply need a large bowl and a medium-sized bowl. The medium will be for the sauce and the large one will be for the filling, but let's start with the sauce first. You'll need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of sesame seeds, and the recipe calls for a teaspoon of chili garlic sauce or chili oil, but again, what I love about cooking is you can really make it your own. I'm using this chili paste that my older sister had left when she visited a few months ago. Just for a little kick, I'm gonna put a little in there. I will do 1 teaspoon. I'll just mix it up. Now I'll set it off to the side and let's begin the filling. And just like the sauce, the filling is super easy to make as well. You'll start with a pound of ground chicken. The recipe says 1 clove of garlic minced. I really like garlic, so I did 2 cloves. Again, the great thing about cooking, make it your own. The recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of fresh ginger. I don't like ginger that much, but I did do 2.5 tablespoons of ginger. I still want that ginger flavor though. You'll chop up 3 scallions or green onions. The white part, go ahead and mix those in. 1 egg to bind everything together. Half a teaspoon of kosher salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. Tablespoon of sesame oil, tablespoon of soy sauce, you guessed it, low sodium, stay healthy folks. Go ahead and mix everything up. Starting to smell really good. All right, the last step with the filling is to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water. I have my mixture right here. I'll go ahead and add to the filling and then I will mix in. All right, so this mixture is ready to go. So at this point we have our sauce, our filling. Now we just need our wonton wraps and avocado oil. Now these wonton wraps are a game changer. I've used them actually to make pumpkin ravioli, but these I'm going to use tonight to make these chicken wontons. For every 4 that I'm going to fry, I will use a tablespoon of avocado oil. You'll see that here in just a minute. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of the filling onto each of these wontons. To begin the frying process, I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Go ahead and get it all over the pan as best you can. Turn your burner to medium and let's fry. So I already know this pan can take 4 of these. You'll fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes. I like mine a little crispy, so I go for about 3 minutes. Just dump them in. And then get a little spatula and flatten them out a little bit. After a few minutes, you can start to hear that sizzle. Okay, it's time to flip over. Perfect. And again, you'll go ahead and fry this side for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes later, these are done. We got our first set ready to go. Gonna do another batch. Now, how delicious do these just look by themselves? But we're gonna bump it up a notch and add some of our green cabbage, green onions, and of course our sauce. I'll start with the sauce. Now imagine you're just having a few friends over. This would be perfect. And voila, you have the perfect appetizer for any type of gathering, or honestly just a dinner for yourself, which is what I did the first time I made these. You can call these your chicken wonton tostadas because they have the crisp like a tostada, but made on a wonton. And you know what I'm gonna say next? Let's give it a taste. Although It's a bummer to ruin this beautiful dish. Wow. The hint of ginger with the soy and the sesame oil, along with the cabbage and green onion, you can't beat it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this easy to make but beyond flavorful appetizer. Hopefully I've taken some of your stress off your holiday gatherings this year. And until next time, remember to cook and bake fearlessly. Don't mind if I do. Oh my gosh, this is so good.